In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete issues in Jira. Managing tasks and keeping your projects organized can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when old issues start piling up. Luckily, Jira provides a way to efficiently clean up by deleting multiple issues at once. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can do it easily and with confidence. To start, head over to the project you're working on. Familiarizing yourself with the project's layout helps in navigating the functions effortlessly. Once you're there, you'll notice an All Work tab located prominently at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on this tab. This section is like the control center for managing all tasks related to your project. Here, you can dive into the details of various issues and manage them as needed. Next, you'll want to filter the issues, focusing only on those you aim to deal with. For this, we'll use the basic search option. Click on the basic mode, which is designed to be user-friendly. This mode generally suits most needs without the necessity for complex queries. It's perfect for users who prefer a straightforward and simplified approach. Today, our goal is to bulk delete the completed issues. To refine your search, click on the Status drop-down menu. Here, you're selecting Done to bring up only the issues marked as completed. This is where you can view all tasks that have been finished and are now ready to be cleaned up. Having filtered your list to show only completed issues, direct your attention to the three dots located on the right-hand side of your screen. Click on these to reveal additional options. You'll see an option labeled Bulk Change Work Items. Select this, and you'll be taken through a guided process that enables you to manage numerous issues simultaneously. Now, you need to select the specific issues you intend to delete. Go carefully through your list, ticking the checkboxes beside each issue that you want to remove. Once you've made all your selections, click the Next button to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose an operation. Since our aim is to delete these issues, you'll want to select Delete Issues. Click Next to move on. Now there's an optional step. You'll notice a checkbox labeled Send Mail for this update. If you wish to notify your team about the changes by sending an email, be sure to tick this box. If notification isn't necessary, simply leave it unchecked and click Next. Before you finalize the deletion, take a moment to review all the issues queued for deletion. Carefully examine this list to ensure there are no errors or overlooked tasks. Once you're confident in your selections, it's time to proceed to the final step. Click the Confirm button, and your bulk deletion will be complete. This not only helps maintain project cleanliness, but also ensures you're concentrating on current, relevant tasks. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy project managing!